Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing out Mason's front tire. This is a KTM 50 Mini. So some of the tools that you're going to need is, if you want, you can get some grease. You can get a 3/4 inch wrench and socket. And then you can also get some spoons to make it easier to get the tube in the tire off the rim. It should just pour right out. Ooh. So you take your valve stem remover and you put it right on there. You turn it to the left, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It should. Now you're going to use huge pliers to not smash your rim, but pop the bead out. And just like that, with the help of someone else, they pop right off. Don't want to hurt the rim. Pull the tube out. Right off. Like that. Really easy, simple. I mean, if you're really strong and you have a lot of experience taking tubes and tires off of rims for the dirt bikes, then it should be pretty easy. But if you're just doing this in your garage and you don't know, and you're not too, let's say, too good at taking tires off rims, it will be very hard, very stressful.
When you change this tire, we got to install these cold cutters or ice cutters, right?
Mm-hmm. So we like to powder our tubes so they go in nice and easy, and also so that we don't get a pinch flat. Ooh, very much. Well, easy peasy. Got it right on there, right on. Just like that. Slapped it right on there. No, just kidding. It was actually really hard, and I couldn't have done it without my dad. He's the cameraman, and he helped a lot during this video, and couldn't have done without him. So thank you, Dad. Now we're just putting in some studs. The first tire had a pinch and it leaked all the air out. The first tube, I mean. And messed that one up, so we put in the new tube that we bought today at the shop.
So once we're going to just run these in with a drill until they're almost tight, and then we'll use a screwdriver to finish them off just so we can make sure the angle's where we want them. Depending on where they end up, if they run too tight, we might have to back them out and then run them back in. But we're going to want our side screws cut in line so that as you're going sideways on the ice, your tire's not able to kick out from under you. And we're going to want our center screws basically straight across. Those will be our braking screws so you can slow down coming into the corners. Alright, got it on, get the studs in, looks pretty gnarly. Go toss this tire on and then knock out his back tire so he'll be ready to race tomorrow.
Dab of grease right on this shaft here. Tighten this one by hand. Nice tight. Then click it to on. Just tighten it up. That's it. That's how you install the new tire. Nice and easy.